How to create the Wix site folder. So you just need to head over to your all sites. Now you can see all the sites that I have created in the past. In order to go to that, click on this all sites right here and then just click on this go to all sites onto your dashboard. Now if you want to create a folder, click on this create new folder right here. And then for example, let's actually name this for client. Then click on this create. And then this will create the folder for you. Since you have the folder, but it's empty right now, so you can head over and add those sites that actually qualifies for the folder. So for that, let's actually add this Amazon tag. Just click on the site actions. And then for this one, let's click on this move to folder. And then click on this for client and click on move here. Now this will move your site to that actual folder as well. So sometimes it will take some minutes in order to successfully move this right there. It actually varies on your actual site data and your actual site storage. So once it's finished moving, you should be able to see it on your newly created site folder. So that's how you create the Wix site folder. Hope we helped.